Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit USDT on Polymarket. First, understand the requirements. Polymarket primarily uses USDC, not USDT, on the Polygon network. This means you usually need to convert your USDT to USDC before depositing. Next, get a crypto wallet. You can use a wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. To set it up, install the wallet, create an account, and make sure to save your seed phrase securely. After that, open MetaMask and add or switch to the Polygon network. Polymarket works on Polygon to ensure low fees. Now convert your USDT to USDC. You have two options. Option A is using an exchange. Send your USDT to the exchange, convert it to USDC, and then withdraw the USDC to your wallet on the Polygon network. Option B is using wallet swap feature, where you can directly swap USDT for USDC within your wallet. Once you have USDC, send it to your wallet. Make sure the network is set to Polygon and that the address is correct. Next, open Polymarket and click Connect Wallet. Choose your MetaMask and approve the connection. Finally, deposit your funds. Once your wallet is connected, click Deposit. Confirm your USDC balance and approve the transaction. Your funds are now ready to use on Polymarket. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.